Me again. So I just recorded this song and then realized I left off the last verse, which is probably the most important one. So this is a song that Jakey's friend Colin sent to me after Jakey passed away, and he'd been listening to it a lot and just wanted to share it with me. And Jake really connected through music over the years. Anyway, he was listening to it a lot back then. I don't know if he still is, but I've still been listening to it every day and have been practicing playing it, and here it is. Hopefully I'll get the whole verse in, or all the verses in this time.
Troubles do not stay, make every place with good times. Now you've got a great life, smile as you walk by, thinking about the day. It's late, legs won't rest today. Your body seems to ache. Your mind will win the race, burning by your sleep again. The night loops from the sun, a long dark night undone. Another day of fun, waiting for some love to come. Keep hoping for a day when things will go your way, and all decisions have been made. Karma's finally found its way. The drinks they pass the time, they help me to unwind. Guilt is killing me inside, you're right, they need to reawake now. Listen to the words I'm singing in this line. Your life will be just fine. Troubles do not stay, they get replaced with good times. Now you've got a great life, smile as you walk by, thinking about the day. It's gray, the rain pours down my face, the tears become erased and cleansing my face, splashing down into my grin. The eyes become alive, a feeling left behind, a hidden world untied, creating all you see today. The clouds they went away, forever did I wake. Karma finally found my plate, and now I'm smiling in the sun. We'll meet again someday, we'll smile and I'll say, when it rains it pours all day, until love can find its way. Now listen to the words I'm singing in this line, that your life will be just fine. Troubles do not stay, they get replaced with good times. Now I've got a great life, smile as I walk by, thinking about the day.
Love you, Mama. Miss you, Jakey. Love you, Colin.